Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, well then welcome. My name is Donna, and on this channel I like to discuss anything from style, fashion, handbags, fragrances, but it's mostly about handbags that we do discuss. So if you're just as much as a handbag enthusiast as I am, please don't forget to subscribe below. It really does help this channel grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So yes, today's video is part 2 of the best luxury designer handbags under $1,000. For those of you who didn't catch part 1, I will link it above. So basically in this 2-part series, I searched the internet high and low to find the best luxury designer handbags that I feel have great value and that are at an even better price point. In part 1, we looked at 5 handbags from the pre-loved market, and these bags included handbags that have recently been reissued or revamped, and thus the price has skyrocketed. It also included handbags that you can still buy new from the store, but that are also readily available on the pre-loved market, just at a better price point. So in this video, we're going to be looking at 5 designer handbags for under $1,000 that you can buy new from either online or the designer boutique. And a little bit like last time, this list does not contain any super minis, micro minis, wallets on a chains, or any type of small bag that doesn't really fit much. So without further ado, let's get started. So for bag number 1, we have the Saint-Laurent monogram clutch. And guys, for only $725, the possibilities with this bag are endless. You can either wear it as a wristlet, you can remove the little loop and wear it as a clutch. You can add a chain strap to the bag and carry it as a little shoulder bag or crossbody. So as you can see, the options are limitless with this bag. And it is Saint Laurent, so you're sure it's great quality, it's durable. You don't really have to worry about wear and tear all that much. Oh, and did I mention this bag is available in 5 different colors. So bag number 2 is the Jacquemus Le Chiquito Nœud. To me, this bag is just so unique and original. There really isn't a similar bag out there, and for just $989, it's a steal. I love the shape of this bag. I love the nœud or the knot in the top handle. I feel like it's just the perfect blend or combination of quirkiness and yet still so chic all at the same time. And this bag really hasn't been around for all that long, but it has already made quite an impact. I mean, we've seen it all over the internet, on celebrities carrying it, on Instagram influencers. This bag has just been everywhere. And it's just so refreshing to see something so different, so unique in an era where we have so many reissues and revampings, reinventions of older or original bags going on. So I think if you can, you should really try to get your hands on this bag before the price starts hiking up a little bit. So the third bag on my list is the Saint Laurent monogram belt bag. And yes, I added a second Saint Laurent to the list. And yes, it's a belt bag because I thought, why not? Belt bags need some love too. This Saint Laurent one is perfect. It looks just like the Lou Camera bag, only with a belt around it so you can wear it around your waist. It also does come with the famous tassel I've raved on about for so long on its side. And what I love about this bag is, although it is a belt bag, you do wear it around your waist, and belt bags usually tend to be a little bit more casual. You can still dress it up because it is a full leather bag, and just the hardware, the chevron pattern, the tassel hanging from the side, it does kind of elevate your outfit, and you can kind of dress it up with a little dress or a fancier outfit. And honestly, for $995, you really are getting your money's worth, in my opinion. So bag number 4 is the Jimmy Choo Varenne Mini Bowling Bag. I recently just discovered this bag and I'm such a huge fan. I remember in the early 2000s, bowling bags became huge. They were everywhere. Paris Hilton would carry them, and a whole bunch of other celebrities or it girls at that time, and then they just kind of disappeared. Well, this bag just brings back those early 2000s vibes for me, and I love it. So yes, this bag does remind me of the early 2000s because of its shape, but I don't feel it looks outdated whatsoever. I actually find it refreshing and quite different compared to everything else that is out there right now at the moment. And don't let the word mini in the name of the bag fool you. This bag can actually fit quite a bit. It is spacious. So if you're worried that it's going to be too small, don't worry about that. And for as little as $9.95, you can bring the early 2000s back. So bag number 5, and the last bag on my list, is the Stella McCartney perforated logo tote bag. So this bag for me just ticks all the boxes. It's big and spacious, it fits a ton, it's stylish, it's fuss-free, you don't have to baby it, it's easy to take care of. It's subtle, although the logo is splashed onto or perforated onto the front of the bag. Because it is perforated, so it kind of looks like color on color, it is subtle and you kind of really do have to look and concentrate to kind of read out what it does say. And most of all, it is positively conscious. So for any of you that might not know, Stella McCartney does not use any real leather in her products or designs. So no animals were harmed in the making of this bag. So this bag does cost $915 new from store. And for me, it's just the perfect tote bag because although it is a tote bag, so yes, it is big and spacious, it fits a ton like tote bags usually do. It's a little bit more stylish and different than a regular tote bag. I mean, it's more than just a huge rectangle hole of a bag with 2 straps attached to it. I love the fold over of the straps. And for me, it's just the perfect tote bag. So there you have it. That was part 2 of my best designer handbags for under $1,000. I tried to include a variety of bags in this list. As you can see, there were some tote bags, some clutches, some belt bags. So let me know what you guys think. Leave all your comments, questions below in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys!